So I just watched Hannah Montana's 20th anniversary special and I figured I should show my Hannah Montana collection. When I was a kid, everything is in here. Before ako maging K-pop fan, I collected Hannah Montana. Hannah Montana is 20 years already and imagine nyo, naitago ko to. Let's start here. Ito yung aking Funko Pop ni Hannah Montana. Nabili na to ng adult self ko. Binili ko to kasi, of course, I am a Hannah Montana fan. One of my favorites. Actually, may mga bags pa ako noon ng Hannah Montana pero I don't know, I misplaced it or I lost it or something. Pero ito, specifically, hindi ko to nagamit ever because it's so pretty that I don't want to use it. And now I want to use it and flex. I'm a Hannah Montana fan. Ito, puro books na to and random magazines na may mukha ni Miley Cyrus. These magazines, I wanna flex this because dati sa SM Lipa, nasa mga magazine stand siya and talagang ginagalingan ko yung grades ko para bilhan ako ni mama nito every time na mag-grocery kami because they always release different issue hanggang makompleto ko from issue 1 hanggang issue 10. O, diba? I also have these books. Tanda ko kung saan ko ito binibili. Binibili ko ito siya National Bookstore or sa Precious Pages. School supplies that I never even used. Kasi may mukha ni Hannah Montana and gusto ko lang siya i-display sa kwarto ko doon. Hanggang sa hindi ko na talaga siya nagamit. Activity books that can actually be interactive. Pero it doesn't work anymore because it's been more than a decade to libro. Ito regalo to sa akin ng ninang ko. Actually, meron na akong isa. Tapos nakita ko, narigaluhan ako nito. So I'm very happy with that. So kaya siya doble. More books and notebooks of course. More random stuff. Meron ako dito bookmarks, mini notebook, salamin, more bookmarks. Yan. Ito nakapatulong concert ni Miley Cyrus sa SMX. And puzzles. I don't know if you remember these kinds of puzzles. Pero yan. Ito yung maliliit na binibenta noon na puzzles. And then I also have a Hannah Montana watch. ID laces. And of course, necklaces. Stickers. I also have these 3D glasses. Mini notebooks. There's really something in it. Ano nakalagay? Oh, Ricky May. Sino pang nakakaalala ng Total Girl? So yan, yung Total Girl. Siyempre, binibili ko yung mga cover ni Miley Cyrus dati. Wala nang Total Girl ngayon. Am I right? And ang pinaka-favorite merch ko sa lahat. Tadaan! Ito yung backstage pass. It's actually still a book. Pero ang ganda kasi nito, sobrang interactive niya. And wala lang, natutuwa ako as an artistic person. Parang siyang junk journal ni Hannah Montana. Tapos may mga paganyan pa, backstage pass, may pa-ID na ganyan. Yan. And ito, nandito yung guitar pick. Is it still here? Oh, it's still here! I remember the guitar pick! Hindi ka tinatanggal dyan. Yan lang yan. Yan, favorite ko siya kasi super artsy niya. And yeah, I grew up being artsy, so junk journalist bata pa lang. Oh. Oh. I think that's everything. So thank you guys for watching and happy 20th anniversary Hannah Montana, Miley Cyrus.